Hi guys, good day. Okay, for today's creation, I've created an umbrella clip. So the purpose is if you want a clip to to hold the umbrella, and of course I just put a simple tip on it. Okay, it can be even mounted straight on the wall. Sturdy as it is. Size is 25 mm by 25 mm. Okay, and you can see over here I just put my umbrella and I just need to clip it. Okay, it will hold the umbrella just like it. And of course you can get the files from my portal from Thingiverse, and I have uploaded it, printed on a 3D glow in the dark, so easy for me to see if I'm in the dark. And here you are, an umbrella clip. Okay, have fun, bye bye.